My name is Ambassador Dominic. I'm a humanitarian diplomat, national hero of the Republic of Kenya, at the same time head of state commendation. Today I'm here at the family of Valerian, who is a young girl from Suneka, Bomariba. I knew this young girl. Actually there are 3 girls. Valeria has 2 siblings. 8 years ago I knew Valeria because she had a cleft foot. I had compassion and I decided to support this young girl. Through the help of friends, I was able to take her to Nyabondo Mission Hospital, where she was operated and her leg was corrected. So today, 8 years later, Valeria is now in high school, day school, grade 10. Through the support and the help of a friend called Larissa, Raid from California, I am happy to report that Valerian is going to a boarding school next term. That is very good news. I'm so proud about it, and I want to thank Larissa for making it happen. So we've been able to buy school uniforms for her. We've been able to buy a bag, all the supplies that she needs so that she can be able to join high school and achieve